to Real Talks, Big Hearts, where real conversations build big hearts. I'm Jammy and I'm Drishti, and today's a very special day because it's Friendship Day. We're sorry for the late upload. Our editor David was unwell. Otherwise, we would have uploaded last Sunday. So, Drishti,
what makes someone a really good friend?
Someone who shares homework and helps me understand that one really difficult math.
next question. Yes! Someone who plays with you? Yes! Someone who shares their homework when I miss the class when I was not well? Definitely! But is that all it takes to be a good friend? Wait, maybe there is something
Much bigger!
Imagine you had a really bad day at school. You came home feeling sad and your friend doesn't laugh at you. They don't say, "There's nothing." They simply say, "Are you okay? I'm here for you." That's friendship. Oh, so a good friend doesn't always need the perfect answer. Sometimes they just need to listen. Exactly. Sometimes listening is the best way to say, "You matter to me." That's right. A good friend doesn't put you down. Okay, here's a question. What if a friend makes a mistake? Should we laugh at them? No. Everybody makes mistakes.
A good friend doesn't say,
You're so dumb. A good friend says, "It's okay. Try again." That's a big difference. Because friendship isn't about making someone feel small. It's about helping each other learn, grow, and become better. Okay, this one might be difficult. What if you have the best pen ever and your friend wants to use it? You can share it. But what if it's my favorite puzzle? You can still say, "Let's play together." So sharing isn't just about toys and puzzles? Exactly. You can share your time, your ideas, your happiness, and even your kindness. What if your friend says, "No, I don't want to play that game"? Maybe we should respect their choice, even if we don't like it. Yes, because being someone's friend doesn't mean that we have to agree with everything we say. So, friendship doesn't mean controlling someone. Exactly. A real friend doesn't always tell us what we want to hear. Sometimes they tell us what we need to hear. Like,
Jammy, you shouldn't have done that.
exactly. But they should always say it kindly and respectfully. So, honesty plus kindness equal good friendship. You got it. Because telling the truth doesn't mean being mean. Absolutely. A good friend can be honest without hurting someone's heart. Okay, what happens when friends have an argument? They might feel angry, they might even need some time apart. But when they're ready, they can talk, say sorry, forgive, and try again. Because no friendship is perfect. Exactly. Perfect friends don't exist. But friends who listen, love, forgive, those type of friends are truly special. So making a mistake friendship over. Not at all. Sometimes it means let's fix and let's do it together. Okay everyone, now it's your turn. Think about your best friend and ask yourself, am I the kind of friend I want other people to be me? Whoa, that's a big question. And parents, here's a little challenge for you. Tonight, ask your child what makes someone a good friend. Don't give them the answer, just listen. You might be surprised by what they say, and maybe tell them about one friend who made a difference in your life. Because sometimes children learn about friendship by hearing our stories. And who knows, maybe your story will become a beautiful memory they'll carry with them forever. Friendship isn't about having hundreds of friends. It's about having people who make you feel safe, respected, heard, and valued. And it's also about being that person for someone else. So this friendship day, call your friend, send them a message, give them a big smile, say thank you, or simply tell them, I'm glad you're my friend. If you enjoyed today's conversation, please like, share, and subscribe. And send this episode to your best friend, because friendship is something worth celebrating every single day. Happy Friendship